Hey, what's up, refinance holder? This is very special message for all refinance holder now, and especially personally, I just this message, my friend, I just forward for all of you now, for my viewers, my subscriber, all viewers, my brother, who are subscribed this channel. Please, if you are new my channel, so kindly I request you to subscribe this channel. Click the red button, just man, and press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, my brother. So the CEO of Refinance, my brother, personally message for all holders now, and I just forwarded now, my brother. CEO of Refinance told this, my brothers, to upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies, and definitely, my friend, the price will be increasing. Absolutely, the price will be increasing now. So he said, my brothers, so this is 77% chance. There is a 77% chance, my brothers, to the refinance price will increasing now, and the refinance hit now 0.1 USD dollar. Congratulations, my brother, 0.1 USD dollar. So if they just only hit now 0.1 USD dollar, and my brother, in this month, so this is absolutely, my brother, all holders, they will make you millionaire now. So why you miss this chance? Tell me why you miss this chance. If a CEO will, my friend, of refinance, still this, my friends, to we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So they are all starting investing, and definitely, my friend, if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are start hold, so hold coins, so definitely, my friend, the price will be increasing. But absolutely, my brother, if a holder are starting selling, so they will plumb, they will dumps down, and they will lost now completely. So kindly, holder, the refinance CEO, my friends, personally tell this to upcoming time we are going to collaborate. So please be ready for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. So you have been ready, my brothers. Please ready now. And what's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. My opinion is to please hold. And thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type urgent and updates videos now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.